Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically reframe your videos on CapCut PC. So for instance, I have this Valorant video and I want to upload it to TikTok, and if I zoom in really like this, it's going to be really bad quality. So select auto reframe and then select the ratio that you want the video to be in. I want it to be 9:16. It's going to kind of move around with the video, so I think I'm just gonna move it to the middle like that, and then you can select the image stabilization. I'm just going to select normal and also the camera moving speed as well. I think it doesn't work if I move the video around, so it does have to be just like this, because if I move it, it's not going to be reframed anymore. So just select this, and then you can select the camera moving speed, and then once you're done, just select apply, and it's going to be in the 9:16 ratio, and it's going to be applied to all of your videos, so you don't have to worry about scaling it one by one. But it's not perfect. As you can see, this is not really in the middle, but it does cut it out pretty smoothly. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!